Hello, my amazing followers. Today, I'm excited to share with you a delicious and easy recipe for fried pastries that are simply irresistible. But before we dive into the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our tasty new recipes. And if you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Let's get started on preparing the dough for these delightful pastries. First, grab a bowl and add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then, mix in 1 teaspoon of instant yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar and a pinch of salt. Next, add 1 teaspoon of butter and a little bit of oil. Mix everything together until the dry ingredients and fats are well incorporated. Now, gradually add 1 cup of warm milk while mixing the dough until it all comes together. You should knead the dough well for about 5 to 10 minutes to get a smooth and soft texture. This step is crucial to ensure your pastries turn out light and fluffy. Once the dough is ready, it's time to roll it out on a lightly floured surface. Using any round cutter you have, cut the dough into circles. Keep cutting until you've used all the dough. Arrange the dough circles on a greased baking sheet or one lined with parchment paper. Cover them and let them rise in a warm spot for about 30 minutes. This resting time is essential for the dough to double in size and create soft, airy pastries after frying. Now comes the frying part. Heat some oil in a pan over medium heat, and once the oil is hot, start frying the dough circles. Fry them until they turn a beautiful golden brown on both sides. Make sure to flip them to ensure they are evenly fried. After frying all the pastries, immediately roll them in sugar while they are still warm. This will give them a lovely crunchy coating on the outside while staying soft and fluffy on the inside. Serve them hot and enjoy. And there you have it. Our delicious fried pastries are ready. Trust me, these treats are worth every minute of preparation. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I'd love to hear how yours turned out in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to stay updated on more yummy recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next recipe.